kitchen. Really not a whole kitchen. The kitchen's getting painted. I'm just kind of Frankensteining some things. They have a island, which I'm basically making a foot deeper. So I have to take off all the back paneling, all the trim pieces, frame it out 12 inches, and then put new plywood all around it, and then put the old door panels back on the back of it. But on the sides of it, they had a side panel or a door panel on the side, but since we made it a foot deeper now, I have to kind of custom build something that looks like the existing door panels that are there now. I gotta figure that out. Also have a 3-drawer base cabinet in the middle of the island that I will be Frankensteining into a microwave. We're gonna have to put its own dedicated circuit for the microwave, but also have to Frankenstein it to hold the microwave. It'll probably just be me taking out some horizontal stiles and building a platform for the microwave to sit on. Probably enclosing it on the side, whatever the microwave specs call for. That's what we have to do. Let's get to work.